Welcome back. My original welcome back video got deleted, so I'm trying to get that re-uploaded. Cross your fingers, we'll see how that goes. Anyways, welcome back. It's good to be back here. I missed you guys. So to start things off, we have to crown the muzzle. The crown is that dome profile on the muzzle. And notice it's not just dead flat, it's a nice, smooth radius. A badly cut crown can severely affect accuracy, so it's important to get this right. The first thing we need is a center that is the exact diameter of the bore. I have one, can't find it. So that means we have to make one with this brass rod. It is machined down to exactly the diameter. The rear side is then countersunk, so that that's not a word. It's countersunk so that the center can locate it. Because the barrel has a taper to it, it's very difficult to hold it in a square jaw. This is where that center comes in. And now to test our setup, we use the runoff gauge. It's spring-loaded and it measures any sort of runoff or inaccuracies in our setup. And I'm using a curved bit to achieve a nice, pleasing dome. That's a good name for a band, actually. Pleasing Dome. Pleasing Dome is playing at the Orange Peel next week. I got 3 tickets if you want to go. I'd go to that. Then I used this chamfer cutting tool to cut down that inside rim. And there you go, that's the crown. It will need to be polished to get all those tool marks out of there, but that's essentially it. This is one of those things that looks really easy, but it's extremely easy to mess it up somehow. And you can see that there's some pretty severe tool marks left from previous steps. We're going to need to polish those out before we take it to the next step. You know, as I'm watching this, as I'm editing, I see that extractor cut, and it seems like just yesterday I cut that in there. It's wild to think just how far we've come with this. And I just want to thank you guys for watching and commenting and being here every week. I feel like I've really gotten to know a lot of you, and I'm just very grateful for all of you. Thank you. Well, that is not how I was expecting this morning to go. Needless to say, I got off to a very, very late start. Well, this video might be delayed. Yay. Now, while I clean up all that water, let's get into the winners of last week's parts game. Oh wait, we can't because YouTube deleted my video. I don't even know who won. What the hell, YouTube? Anyways, we're just going to have a repeat of last episode's game. I'm sorry. As always, leave your answers in the comments. If you get it right, you'll be in next week's video. And this is rust bluing. We apply a solution of potassium nitrate and water to the steel. When this solution reacts with the iron in the steel, it creates a thin layer of magnetite. This forms a layer of iron oxide. This layer, usually less than a micrometer thick, gives the steel its distinctive blue hue. The sooty remnant is then wire wheeled off, leaving a nice blue luster. These steps are repeated until we like the color of the steel. This can be anywhere from 3 to 5 coats.
We gotta do something. Well, I guess we're going camping soon. That'll be so nice.
That'll be
just
so
the
nice.
guys going out and chilling.
I know.
I haven't had that in so long.
I know.
It's gonna be revolutionary.
Revolutionary.
It is, dude. I still have to get my tent and see if it still has everything.
Ooh, me
Should.
too.
Yeah. That's coming
I
up.
don't even know where my tent is.
We're gonna have to be cuddling with me.
Nah. I'd sooner sleep outside.
Yeah, right. Have a hammock.
I got that. I got one of those, but I
Yeah,
got
we're
one of
good.
that too.
I was gonna say.
And this blowtorch is used to not only evaporate the standing water, but to also heat the metal. But it's important not to heat it too much, or the acid can bite into the metal and make it pit.
Oh, I'm good at this. I should be doing this for a living. Bastard. I was giving your viewers a sip.
As this series wraps up, that leaves us with just one more thing to do. And now that that's out of the way, we can start with the second most important thing. Thanks for watching. Next episode will be the last of this series. Join the Patreon. Love you guys. Have a good week. See you Tuesday.
Shop beer, oh, shop beer.